Today I share with you a simple home remedy you can use to boost your immune health this Harmattan period. Harmattan comes with dry and dusty wind that leaves our upper respiratory tract exposed to cold, inflammation, sore throat, catarrh, cough, and all of that. So with this, you are sure to boost your immune health so you can stay healthy throughout this season. What you simply need for this recipe is cloves, which is a very good antimicrobial agent. You also need negro pepper, you need garlic, you also need lemon, ginger, and lastly, you will also need turmeric. Now you can add honey to this if you like. Simple procedure is after you wash everything, you chop them into small manageable chunks. It is important to chop them so that when you boil them, it will be easy for them to release their active compounds. It is important to chop or crush garlic because garlic contains an active ingredient called allicin, which is only released when you either chop or crush it. Allicin is responsible for the many health benefits of garlic, especially its antimicrobial properties and cardiovascular benefits. It helps to combat viruses, bacteria, and fungi, which causes cold symptoms. Garlic also supports immune health and helps our body fight infections more effectively. So when you chop all of your spices like this, you bring all of them and pour into a pot of boiling water. Now, while pouring, there is no particular format. You just pour all of them into a pot of boiling water. For this very recipe, I used 1 cup of water for the spices you see on the plate. I particularly like to squeeze my lemon to be able to get out all of its juice, and then before throwing it into the pot of boiling water. It is just a personal preference. The primary active ingredient in lemon, responsible for its characteristic tart flavor and many health benefits, is the citric acid. It also contains vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, which plays a vital role in supporting our immune health, producing collagen, and overall health. It also contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that contribute to its health promoting properties. Now, another benefit of citric acid is that it helps to break up mucus. So when you have catarrh or sore throat, that lemon will help to break up the mucus in your throat and bring all of it out. So when you bring it down from the pot of boiling water after boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes, you pour everything together into a container, sieve out the juice or the extract, and drink. It is just that simple. You take this twice a day, first thing in the morning, last thing in the night. And throughout this season, I can assure you, you will kiss cough and cold goodbye. Now, if you already have cough and cold, you may need more of this than just taking it twice a day to be able to help your immune system fight this cough and cold. It is very simple. While we are watching the rest of the video, I will tell us the other benefits of the other spices we use in this very recipe. You'll notice that all of these spices are things we use in cooking our day-to-day meal. These are common things you can find in our kitchen. Clove, for instance, contains an active ingredient called eugenol. This eugenol is what gives it that characteristic aroma and flavor. It possesses antimicrobial properties, which helps to fight infections. For upper respiratory tract infections, clove has been used traditionally for as far back as the days of our fathers. And this is because they have expectorant properties. They also help to soothe sore throat, ease coughing, and clear congestions in the respiratory tract. Negro pepper, which the Igbos call oda, contains phytochemicals such as alkaloids, flavonoids, tannins, and volatile oils. These active compounds possesses antimicrobial properties that assist in fighting certain infections. They help alleviate symptoms associated with cold, such as they ease congestion, they reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, and possibly they also support our immune system. I have already told us the benefits of garlic, so I will not go over that again. The next ingredient here that we need to know the benefit is ginger. Ginger is an active ingredient that we use in our day-to-day cooking in the kitchen. I think apart from garlic, ginger, turmeric are also the most commonly used ingredients. Now, ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol. This gingerol helps to reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. They also provide relief from nausea and upset stomach associated with cold. It also has warming effects, which helps to ease congestion. Turmeric contains a bioactive compound also called curcumin. This curcumin is responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant properties. They also help to alleviate symptoms of cold. They also help to boost our immune system, and they potentially ease the symptoms of sore throat and congestions. So you simply just pour your tea and enjoy. You can enjoy this as a beverage, or you can take it as medicine. For me, I like to take it twice a day, first thing in the morning, last thing in the night. You take it while it is warm or hot and enjoy your tea. Like, subscribe, share for more videos like this, and Happy New Year.